Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to set download ringtone in Realme phone. So Oppo phone. So let us start our video. Firstly scroll up and go to the setting icon. Here you will see, so click on the setting icon. After that, here you will see many options. You have to move up, then click on the sound and vibration option, so click on that. Now you have to move up some more and click on the choose the sim number first on which you want to set download ringtone. I want sim number 2, so click on that. Here you will see many ringtone. You will set or change ringtone from here, but if you want to set download ringtone, so click on select from files option. Then here you will see some call recordings and some downloaded song. Here you will see, so click on that. Now click on the back option and here you will see download song or ringtone is set in our mobile phone in this way. So I hope this video helps you, so please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.